Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota CHR Limited. This is a 5-passenger crossover in hot lava. And under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this CHR includes a facelift on the front bumper, two-tone paint with the hot lava orange and the black roof. Other great features includes a proximity smart key system, fold-away side mirrors, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Now, like I mentioned, the CHR does have a proximity smart key system. So if you have your key fob in your pocket, we can press these 2 lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it, it's as easy as putting your hand inside the door handle. Now, if we take a look inside the side mirror, you can see I have a blind spot monitoring system. If we take a look inside, you have this nice silver trim that runs all the way through the cabin to the passenger side as well. Inside the door here, you have your power windows, locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. If you take a look next to the door, you will find your heated steering wheel. Now, this CHR comes equipped with black leather seating, and on the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. The CHR is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and press that engine start button right behind the steering wheel there. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, starting on the left side, you have your audio controls, along with your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you have this cluster right here. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Taking a look back on the steering wheel, on the right side, you'll find your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You have your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Continuing on to our entertainment display. Right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it will display any device that's connected as well as any audio that's playing. On the right side, you have your trip information, which you can press on the screen. And here you can also look at your history as well. Now if we go into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB and Bluetooth. Now if we go into menu, there you have your projection icon for your Apple CarPlay. Now going into reverse, there's that backup camera for you. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. On the left and right side, you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats. You also have your eco mode on the top right corner. And lastly, if you move down, you'll find some storage space along with cup holders, and this is where you'll also find your USB and auxiliary. And taking a look inside the back here, we have a cup holder inside the door. Of course, we are continuing with the black leather seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, we have these little extra storage compartments. And these rear seats do fold down. We got a little button here in the corner. If we give that a press, the seats will fold flat, giving you access to your cargo. To access the cargo from the outside, there's a button here right under that Toyota emblem. We're going to give that a press, and that'll open up nice and easy. You have plenty of storage space in the back here, and like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That will give you that extra bit of room. You also get this nice cargo cover as well, and we can look underneath here. You'll find your tools and your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our Toyota CHR, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, leather upholstery, dual zone climate control, and a push to start. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.